Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Cocosutra hot chocolate Swiss vanilla, only way. Gather ingredients and tools now: 250 ml milk, 2 tablespoon cocoa, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tsp Swiss vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Heat gently and whisk constantly to avoid scalding. Use medium-low heat until steam rises and texture thickens slightly. Taste: start by whisking cocoa and sugar into a smooth paste to prevent lumps, then pour in a little warmed milk while whisking. Return the saucepan to medium-low heat and add the rest of the milk slowly, whisking continuously until steaming and slightly thickened. Remove from heat, stir in Swiss vanilla and a pinch of salt, then taste and adjust sweetness as needed before pouring into a pre-warmed mug. Pour your hot chocolate into a warmed mug and finish with a generous cloud of whipped cream or a sprinkle of toasted coconut for texture. For visual contrast, dust a little extra cocoa or grate dark chocolate on top. Offer biscotti or shortbread on the side to balance richness, and serve immediately so the aroma and temperature are perfect for sipping and savoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.